So to start off, as usual, open the bonnet. Once you've opened up the bonnet, you then need to go to whichever side that you want to open and unscrew the tab to release the carpet. Then pull open the circular plunger, and then you'll need to get out of your Porsche toolkit the wrench. Insert the wrench as normal. There's only one bolt, so you'll be able to find it quite easily. Turn it towards you to near a pop. And as you can see, it released slightly there. You may need to do it again just to give it a little bit more freedom to pull it out later. So, as you'll notice in the next frame, just slide it open. So there are little tracks that it runs along, so you just kind of slide it out towards yourself, remove it, then press down on the clip, pull it downwards, and then release it out to those little connectors at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. You then pull the black connector off, like so, and then the metal connector that holds it on, you just pinch it inwards. As you can see, it took me a little while to figure this out, so pinch it inwards. This then gives it enough release to slide open. Be careful, obviously, as you can see there, the angle that I had mine on, it fell out, but it is a broken bulb anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Then obviously go select your new fresh bulb out of the packaging. Probably should have opened that already, but there we go. You then insert it, so make sure that it all lines up. So there's a little notch out of it which corresponds perfectly. As you can see, I managed to get it in the first time, luckily. Then you re-pinch the metal to get it to connect snugly, and then it's simply a case of reconnecting the black wired connector, and then you then need to put your back of the casing on. So simply align the two notches in those holes there, as you can see, and then that acts as a hinge, and then you just clip it shut nice and securely.